Everything that we do on a daily basis, we try to do to the best of our ability to aid production on a daily basis to hopefully then produce a good quality part for the end customer. We've developed a machine which is a plug and play system. The plug and play machine has been developed so that we can change tooling as production requires. So we have 5 machines where all these tools are interchangeable through. That's saved a huge amount of space on the shop floor and given us the possibility for future growth as well. I'm very proud of this plug and play project due to the fact that it was designed completely in-house. The maintenance team are responsible for partially the design, but all the build of the actual plug and play machine, the mechanical build, electrical build, and the PLC programming is all done in-house, and we manage the projects completely as one team in line with the manufacturing engineers.